Welcome back to Auto Eagle USA, your go-to destination for the most interesting and rare vehicles from auctions and private collections. Today, we're diving into a classic piece of American automotive history, the 1979 Lincoln, recently featured on Bring a Trailer. This isn't just any Lincoln, it's a well-preserved example that captures the luxury, style, and character of late 1970s American sedans, offering a glimpse into an era when comfort and elegance defined the driving experience. At first glance, the 1979 Lincoln immediately commands attention with its long, imposing body and classic lines. Finished in pristine white, this car maintains the elegance Lincoln was famous for, with polished chrome accents on the grille, bumpers, and side trims. The iconic front end, complete with rectangular headlights and a bold, upright grille, makes a statement that's unmistakably Lincoln. The paint shows a glossy finish that reflects years of careful maintenance or restoration, highlighting the car's timeless aesthetic. The side profile is where the true scale of the Lincoln becomes apparent. The long wheelbase provides spaciousness unmatched by many modern vehicles, and the subtle yet sophisticated character lines running along the doors and fenders emphasize a design philosophy centered on understated luxury. The wheel arches house classic alloy wheels with appropriate period-correct details, giving the vehicle a complete, authentic look. Whether viewed from the right or left side, this Lincoln exemplifies the elegance and status associated with the brand during the late 1970s. Inside, the cabin reflects a focus on comfort and craftsmanship. The dashboard is wide and neatly organized, featuring wood grain accents, analog gauges, and a center console designed for ease of use. Plush leather seats invite long drives, offering both cushioning and support, while the generous legroom and headroom make the interior feel like a lounge rather than a traditional car. Every detail, from the chrome window cranks to the classic steering wheel, shows attention to quality and durability. For enthusiasts, this cabin represents the pinnacle of late 70s luxury, a stark contrast to the more compact, tech-heavy interiors of modern vehicles. Turning to the rear, the 1979 Lincoln continues to impress. The taillights span the width of the car, incorporating the signature Lincoln styling cues of the era. The trunk is massive, providing storage space that modern sedans can rarely match. Chrome detailing on the bumper and subtle accents around the lights maintain the elegant and stately appearance. The back view perfectly captures the balance between presence and sophistication that Lincoln aimed to deliver. Under the hood, this Lincoln is powered by the classic American V8 engine, known for smooth, effortless power delivery. While not designed for speed in the modern sense, the engine delivers a relaxed yet commanding driving experience. It's a perfect match for the car's size and weight, offering effortless cruising on highways and a quiet, composed ride through city streets. The engine bay in this bad example appears well maintained, with clean components and period-correct finishes, making it as impressive under the hood as it is on the exterior. One of the standout features of vehicles like this Lincoln is their attention to detail in ride quality and comfort. The suspension, engineered for a smooth, cushioned experience, absorbs bumps and road imperfections with ease. Combined with power steering and a well-tuned braking system, the car offers a driving experience that feels luxurious and controlled. For collectors and enthusiasts, this is more than a car, it's a glimpse into the automotive philosophy of an era when driving comfort and style were paramount. The 1979 Lincoln on Bring a Trailer also showcases the rarity and historical significance of well-preserved examples. As classic car values continue to grow, vehicles like this offer both investment potential and the thrill of owning a piece of automotive history. It's a chance to experience firsthand the elegance, power, and prestige that Lincoln represented during a unique period in American automotive design. In conclusion, this 1979 Lincoln isn't just a car, it's a statement. It represents an era of American luxury, craftsmanship, and automotive ambition. Whether you're a collector, enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates classic design, this Lincoln has something to offer. Auto Eagle USA is excited to share this exclusive look at a vehicle that continues to turn heads decades after it first rolled off the production line. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this feature on the 1979 Lincoln from Bring a Trailer, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Eagle USA for more rare finds, auction highlights, and deep dives into automotive history. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next video.